Hi everyone, Gagajoy. Gagajoy's cooking. Just trying to come up with something for supper this evening, and I came up with salmon. Canned salmon. I like the double Q pink salmon. And I do love salmon. In just about any way. I love fresh salmon, and so this will come in handy for me. I'm just putting a little handful of peppers. Now you don't have to put everything I do in here. I can put some weird stuff in something sometimes. The peppers. I'm putting about 1/4 cup of cornmeal. 3 tablespoons of mayo. I've got about about 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. A lot of people use flour. I use breadcrumbs. And a little bit of garlic powder. A little onion. This is granulated onion, so I'm not going to put real onions in it. Since I'm using the granulated, I do love this. And a little hot sauce. I like Texas Pete. Sure you do too. About 5 or 6. Or 7 or 8. Don't make a difference. I love it. About 1/2 of a lemon. I'll catch the seeds. It's just for that freshness. And a little bit of salt. Put a teaspoon of pepper. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And all off with 1 egg. That's a lot of stuff to put in one little can, isn't it? The only thing, I don't make this salmon very often because my kids will come in and say, "What's smelling bad in your house?" And it's usually cabbage, but it also sometimes is shrimp. My canned shrimp. Gosh, we grew up on canned shrimp. My mother always had shrimp in the cupboard. My dad used to like it with vinegar. Just open up a can and eat it with vinegar. Now he loved it like that. Okay, now mix it good. It's pretty hot. My hands, of course, are clean. My grandmother used to make salmon croquettes. Now, I'll be honest with you, I don't know what a croquette is, but I know hers had a little dome to it. I don't know how she did it, but I remember seeing them. Of course, my grandmother was a cook, a real cook. Or she thought she was anyway. They always had a cafeteria or a grocery store or something. And I want to say she cooked some pretty good stuff. And she did know all the fancy names. Mash it down a little bit. we're coming right along. I'd be interested to know how you cook your salmon. Sometimes I stop talking because I got so many things running through my head. I'm not for sure which one I want to come out. My brother was a pastor, and I had an older sister, and he taught the Sunday school class, and he said, when Frances raises her hand, we all hold our breath, because she could come up with some doozies. This was so bad. Yeah, I regret using olive oil. Okay. It's still pretty good. And a little hot sauce. A little more hot sauce. Nothing lacking there, that's for sure. So try use some salmon. This might be something that everybody will like on a day when you can't think of nothing to fix. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. See you soon.